So let's start today. G2 test route in Mississauga. Examiner will say make a left turn from the stop sign, and you have to keep it in the left. Okay.
Yeah.
So make a left signal, and make sure who come first will go first, and do not stop again. Okay.
Yeah.
And do not block the yellow line. Make sure you keep it on the left side, first lane. Amazing. And keep it 50. And examiner will say, okay, make a right turn from the traffic lights. What you will do here? Yeah, lane change to the right and come to the right lane. And make sure you, when you give the signal, make sure you check the blind spot and keep it 50 here. There is no speed zone, there is no speed sign, so that means it's 50. So give the signal, and if you have a green, do not stop. Okay, until unless no pedestrian, you cannot stop. And make a right signal, keep it on the right side. Okay, got it? Yeah. So it's a Derry road. Derry has a 70 speed.
Yeah.
I know that, you know that, and make it 70. Other than that, follow the traffic. Okay?
Yeah.
Amazing. So little bit slow. Follow the road conditions as well. Okay? So yeah, go straight. And examiner will say make a right turn from the traffic lights, give the signal and can get in from the beginning, from here. Yeah, and slow down, take it easy.
Yeah.
You're doing rush today.
Yeah.
Okay, don't do that. This is a yield sign, do not stop. If the pedestrian is coming, then you have to stop.
Yeah.
And other than that, do not stop. Okay,
Yeah.
please go and keep it on the right side.
Yeah.
Any doubt so far?
No.
Okay, what is the speed here?
50.
50.
Yeah.
Amazing. And keep it 50, don't go fast. Okay, so examiner will say make a left turn from the stop sign. What you will do? Yeah, check the blind spot. Amazing. Yeah, go straight, turn off the signal and do it on again. Get in from the beginning, from the white dotted lanes. Check again and come in from here. This is a always stop. What you will do? Stop on the line and check left, right. Who came first will go first. So we came first, so we have to go first. Go and do not stop again.
Yeah.
It's humble request, do not stop again. I'm saying again and again.
Yeah.
I'm repeating that, do not stop again. If you stop one time, do not stop again. Okay, examiner will say do the downhill parking here. Keep it on the corner. Keep it on the corner. Check the blind spot again and keep it on the corner. Yeah, like that.
Done for it.
Yeah. So amazing. Okay, go straight. So examiner will say, okay, do the 3-point turn here. Check the blind spot, give the signal, check the blind spot and safely stop on the corner, please. Do not block any driveways. Okay?
Yeah.
Stop here. And now do it. So this is a little wide road. So what you will do, keep it little like that. Okay? Go and make a 3-point line now. Okay. So amazing, keep it like that. Okay.
Yeah.
If you make all the way left turn, then it will be U-turn. Don't do that. Okay. So give the signal again left and go, and keep it in the center. Don't drive anyone's corner, keep it in the center. Okay, keep it like that. And examiner will say again make a no. He will not say anything. He will say, okay, go straight. Might be he ask you, okay, make a left turn. Then you have to get in from the beginning. You know that.
Yeah.
Okay. Other than that, if he didn't ask you anything, go straight. Go. So you know that he came first. He is going first.
Yeah.
Until he moves, do not move. Okay, please. So what's the speed here?
50.
50. So keep it 50. continue or unless examiner is not giving you any instruction, go straight. Okay? And keep it like that. Amazing. So make yourself busy to check the mirrors and all. Move your head as much as you can. Please keep that all the things in your mind. It's just a 7 minutes test. Very easy route. This is a new route of Mississauga G2 road test. Okay, please keep that in your mind. Amazing. Go straight. So what's the speed here? 50. So please keep it 50. Okay, don't go more than 52 and don't go less than 48. You know that already. Okay, amazing. And keep it in the right side. Yeah. And examiner, he will not give you any instruction. So that means go straight. Okay. So who stop first? Yes. Always make sure, okay? And this is your done. You have done the road test. It's just as just a 7 minutes test. Please keep that in your mind. Don't do anything wrong. And make a U-turn from here. Thank you so much.